in the old era, but also largely in the new era, all the men have been given the chance to be depicted as sensitive human beings, which gives them a three-dimensional and complete humanity, which I think is very important. Now, in the very early days, as I said, Lethbridge-Stewart is the father of Kate. So that's how we invented her character in the future. So he started out in the early days with John, came through, he guest starred as an older actor, of course, on the Sarah Jane Adventures. And he came into the modern Who in one episode where everybody was turned into a Cyberman who had died. All the people buried in cemeteries had their bodies converted into Cybermen. And yet, he's in a cemetery when his daughter gets kicked out of an airplane and she's going to die, except he catches her and saves her life, right? Which is a super cool thing. And because he loves his daughter. He's the super dad, which is a super sensitive, cool thing to be. And so that's why when the actor actually died, they had the doctor honor him with that portrait, which I thought was pretty cool. So even back in the day, we had a relatively sensitive man.